Welcome to another episode of Hot Rod City. This is going to be a short episode just because we're working on the International today. And the only thing I have for it is a toolbox. So I got to move the stuff out from behind it. The dump gate, the gate for the dump trailer and the ramps that came off the old dump trailer's trailer that are going to go on the other deck over that I have, that I'm hoping to fix up and flip and make a profit. Or I'm going to have like a hitch part of step up deck put on it and use it for a trailer for the International. So we're going to do that, move that stuff out from behind that, pull it up in the driveway, or back, hook to it and drag it up into the driveway. I gotta take the hydraulic tank off of it. We'll just leave the mounts for now. Cause what I got here, let's see this giant freaking thing. Here we go. What? Alright, this is the box. This thing sits on the frame right behind the cab. It'll kind of make it look like a little mini sleeper, but it's a toolbox. This compartment actually passes completely all the way through top, bottom shelf, and the only thing wrong with this box is let's see if you can. Yeah, you'll be able to see that. The doors. The bottom of these bottom doors have rotted out. Now, I have the ability to repair metal, so I'm really not that. I don't care. But this is the company that makes this is called Reading. It says so right on all the hinges. They're predominant, making a lot of bodies and toolboxes and stuff like that. So chances are I'm going to end up definitely getting a set of keys. I'll get all new locks, and I'll see how much they charge for the doors. If it's not too much, I'll just buy new doors. If it is too much, I'm just going to fix these. So it's both doors on the bottom that are rotted out, but the floors are real good. They're not rotted out. I only paid $100 for this thing. So, and one of the big things too, big rigs, they like to mount lights in the back of the cab or sleeper, and I'm really not too keen on cutting that cab up at the moment. So I can actually cut into this and mount lights, all kinds of other stuff. So that thing is basically going to be a glorified rat rod tow pig kind of looking thing. So eventually, I'm going to get around doing all the body work and making it pretty, but meantime, it's just a spare play toy. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff moved, get it dragged up, let you guys witness me trying to hurt myself and drag this box off by myself. There was a little sloshing around in that tank, but I can tell you this, it was not hydraulic fluid. It sounds mostly water. So that tank's been dry for probably quite some years. Big reason I'm not going to chug it just yet. On it is a cap, so we can cut that section off and save it if we ever need to build a tank for later. So, because the soon-to-be dump trailer, if we ever get that back from Keithbro, so is going to need a hydraulic reservoir. The Hot Rod City Municipal Light Tower is going to need a fuel tank probably. And just, who knows? You never know. Just keep that and use it in the bits for later. That's how you gently take a box off that's bigger than you, weighs more than you. Go on there. I like it. I think what I might do is raise it up a little bit. So get it raised up. Looks pretty good. Matches the truck pretty well. Well, except for the color, obviously. I feel like it fits pretty well. Fits the wheelbase really good, actually. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, you got plenty of room for the hitch. I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up my wood and shove this back into the hole.